Have you always wanted to play your favorite music like this on your flute? Whether you're brand new, restarting, or just trying to improve your flute skills, I have exactly what you're looking for. You can learn and participate from the comfort of your own home at your own pace and on your own schedule. Find it all on my website and in our flute community members area at learnfluteonline.com. The links are below. I'm Rebecca Fuller. Feel free to share this video, leave a comment, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. We'll see you again soon.